Yung
ano hinanap niyo?
Tatarin.
Ayan, nasa head mo.
Parang maglalaro tayo.
Ma, nakalagay lang dito sinong
Neto.
mag-rent ng United Nation na Saudi. Tapos,
Try natin to. Kaya natatry natin yung mga game na to. Bakang hindi naman itrigay ng mga ibang game. Pero yung iba guys, guys, sila scammer. Naalala ko pa to. So, Iron Mac. Iron Mic. Extra King Kong. Cyborg. Poison Ranger. Lumberjack. Undead. Base defense. Tinry kong base defense. Okay. Pinalang. Yan, kung gusto niya ito laruin, search mo 99 nights odds. Kaninong server yun? Isa lang tayo, tapos wala po. Ang ganda pa nga. Ang niya. Ano yan? Wala siyang wala, nga yun? Wala siyang hindi yun. 99 nights with Freddy. Si Freddy? Wow! Wait lang guys. Hindi lang ako. Oh my god. Laro ka ng combat arena. So yung laro, oh
my god, I forgot the green.
Search ko na lang guys.
Akala ko sa pink na placard din na.
Yung hat lang yung
God. Ano siya? Wala.
Ay kuya. Try pa kuya kung ano yung unique dito sa
Ito kayo. Possible na
aray ko!
ito yun. Blue. Pangalan. Okay. Base chat not supposed. Pumasok. Balik ko yung game nila.
Singapore edition. Like the old day. So we're just scouting the area.
Ano lang para
I guess for this vlog, Daniel is gonna be your face
ayan
for a
guys.
while.
Sana naman huwag naman lahat. Nung nakita ko grabe nagsiya ako dito ka. Dito tapos may nakakabog. Oh my god. So admin abuse. Yun lang. Orderin tayo. Bawal tayo makaano ng infinity sa tapos one hit axe. Wala box. Mas gusto ko pag free. Oh, ayan na. 10. Wait a comment. So, ayan. Wala. Maximum users reached. Di ba? O sige.
Sino naman to?
Team and Tom.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm here in
Yeah.
Singapore. What do I see? Oh my god! Cheers! Actually, we're not in Singapore.
Pararam pam pam pararam. Pararam pam pam pararam. I will like the game.
Who's there? Sing. Sing who? Sing. My heart for
99 likes with Freddy. Sorry lang guys. Nanood mama ko.
Singapore, my heart.
Ayun. Maraming laro.
Grabe naman yan. May baon, may baon. Okay, what are we gonna do?
Di ko to.
First to Lucky. This is our first day, guys. First day.
Bra, makukuha ko agad yung mga 0 days lang ako.
I'm here with my parents for their yearly checkup. Yearly checkup. Everything is well. Yearly checkup. Tim is here because I came from a cruise. Yeah, I came from last stop.
Okay. Let's try na natin to. Oh.
Wait, I also. I last stop.
Ayan na tayo. Ayan. Aray ko. Aray ko.
I can feel the Christmas spirit. Yes. Where's your girlfriend?
Ano lang sila. Ayun.
So guys, this is the popular ice cream.
Wala akong makakapag ano. Ayun, 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 ayun. Ayun, ayun. The gameplays. Gameplay.
Thank you. Verdict.
Bang! Ay. Grabe kayo. Grabe kayo. Grabe kayo, grabe kayo. Uy, uy, ano yun? Ba't ito nadadrop? Grabe naman. Grabe naman to. Ang raming fishing rod. May admin, ano pa dito? Mga to, admin rod. Oh my God, di pa natin yan mapupulot.
Let's say for hoppers, bro. We need to make space for the hoppers. Diba?
One hit axe. Di natin ano yan.
Legit no, Tim. It looks like Shopsville. It looks like Shopsville, right?
Aray ko.
Yeah, but actually,
Guys, magte-teleport lang tayo kung saan-saan dito, guys. So, don't trust it. Pag may nakita kayong mga ganito, don't trust.
sponsor. Just potato corner here.
Don't trust it.
Just a potato corner here. So, just
Ayan.
the area. Many Pinoy food. And so many Pinoys. Wow.
Tumabe ka dyan.
Singapore. There's a community.
Oh my
Di,
God.
talagang alis ka
Picture
dyan.
daw, Tim. Of course. Central interaction. Yeah. We are making it in life. Mr. Worldwide.
Babalik na ako, guys. Oh my gosh, ang lag-lag.
I would choose Worldwide man.
Ayoko ng ganito talaga. Ayoko talaga ng ganito. Ayoko ng ganito. Aalis na ako, aalis na ako. That's enough. Enough na, enough. Enough.
Guys, alam ko na pasalubong ko para sa
Day 28 pa lang sila. Magle-live na ako.
joke lang.
Magle-live na ako. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Kasi, alam nyo na.
It might just work.
So, ano lang nga tayo. Ano na rin.
Robbie, so what's the breakdown?
Nag-survive na tayo. Chiki ban-ban, chiki ban-ban. Amalakatakot ko ban-ban. Bro.
Kailangan pa na ganyan ah.
Naglalaro ka. Hoy, nilalaro mo yan. Mag-exit ka. Tayo maglaro. Tala, laro. Ako, ito, di mo ko kita. Mag-equip ka ng class. Jarich. Daddy chill.
Di pa, bro.
Ayun pala, ano ko.
Nag-iisip, yabang-yabang ko kanina.
Kaso may kape minus mo ba?
Shut my bird.
Kape minus?
Oh, guys, I swear everything I do.
Awa na.
Power boat today.
Kala ko ipis na sa paa ko.
I can't open.
Ha? What?
So guys, me and Tim are gonna go separate this end of court. I'm gonna first stop. You're gonna miss me. I'm gonna first stop.
Wait, ah?
I'm gonna first stop. You can come. Guys, can you picture the vlog? It's that.
Ayun, nag-span na tayo sa camp natin. Buti na lang, di tayo nag-ano dito. Oh,
Hong Kong yan.
Kasi naka-cyborg class ka. Wala pa ako. Ayun.
Huwag mo laruin.
Aray.
Yun, no? Grabe.
FBI, open up. Ba't yung lucky?
Yes, sir. Tommy. Kaya ba natin itong person? I've been shifting nagkakatalito mag-out of beer. Kasi kung sarap yung pulutan.
Swerte naman, no?
Dora.
Ang swerte na yun naman. Ganun. 42.
Bumili ng beer.
Dapat dagdagan dito.
Ganun, 42. Tara na nga, guys.
Dapat dagdagan lagyan ng ano.
I know he's an alcoholic eh.
Hello. You cannot run from me.
Since then, I have just tried this cocktail. Looks so good.
I hope he's cooked.
Kaya ba ng braso mo na? Hirap yun.
And look at this.
Ay, na ako na nga.
Yeah.
Sige na.
Tim Duggan.
Hawakan mo.
Cocktail meal.
Mahilig sa beer
And
talaga.
this is a stingray. I've never tried stingray beer. That's so good. So good.
Wala na.
So we're gonna try the stingray, guys. Stingray time. Sarap, no? Ito yung stingray. Favorite ko yan eh. Sarap. Different. Boy. You take a...
Hoy, follow me nga. May laser cannon ka, oh. Wala na.
Sarap, Tim. Fresh.
Wala na,
Word of
guys.
the day.
Wala
Fresh.
siya.
It's the Ipon taste test na. Look at your...
Ayun.
Why you using my camera like that? I saw him, bro. Wait, break that.
I will come. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I gotta eat.
And I'm the nasty one, seriously.
My way. I'm on my way.
We got this when we get back. But bro,
Revive kita, revive kita.
each. I don't want dessert anymore. We just
Wala
have to
na.
time, bro. We're on move na eh. I'm too stop.
Wala na bang
Let's
pag-asa?
talk about the explode.
Hindi na ba sapat? Hindi na ba sapat? Kapahirap sa... Uy.
Hello. Biggest fan of Singapore. She knows about the whole start. How long na kami, ma'am? What is your favorite,
Halloween episode.
which Halloween? We have two.
Halloween House, the part 1.
Wow. What was our costume in Halloween House?
Winnie the Pooh and the yellow, the guy from the yellow hair.
Galing. The second costume.
Marco and
Wow. Updated. Who's my girlfriend?
Bro runs for no reason. ten 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 ten.
Si Ate Marites. So guys, we just had a short commercial break. What did I get?
Yahoo! Yuppie, yuppie.
Salted egg tart. Or egg tart.
Isa lang.
Nag-isip nila.
Ano ba yan?
Most expensive egg tart you'll ever see. 100 pesos. And we don't know how much is it. This is a pretty
Sabi mo
heavy.
kay tatay mo.
Almost as heavy as my eggs. Can you not? Here, go. Your first bite.
May ganito ka rin ba?
Honest review. And where's the it? Got it down. Where's it? Outside.
Huy! Bet mo nga ulit ako. Wow! Yummy!
Alam mo naman kung ayaw mo.
Mali sila sila.
Stop saying that.
Anak ko
Stop
gagawa.
saying that. You're gonna
Meron ka na ba?
like towards Olivia.
Meron ka na? Yung ano? Yung kay tatay mo?
I don't wanna influence you. I'm not like, influence me. Oh my God.
Ay, yung sa'yo sa hat ko na lang kaya yun.
Where is he?
Everyone.
Wala kang sulat.
There he is.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yay. Wow, so we're so cool, guys. We're going home. This is where the first day of the vlog ends. Yeah. I think you want to see
Kasi kukunban mo.
Dumating ka na sa dulo ng hangganan. Ida kaya.
Yeah, we're going to go back na. See you guys tomorrow.
Grilya.
And day one,
Mura. Sa ilak ng araw.
the next step, crazy stuff.
Padidat kang
So this is day 2.
pangmundo na. Binibigas. Tumatakbo.
Day 2. Where are we, kids?
Binibigas.
Or not Roberto's speed.
Pag-ibig mo, bakit hala
We'll show you where we really are.
kapag nakapiling ka, alam ang gagawin, kabilos na matitingin sa'yo, makapiling ka, isang mata, hindi ko na nakikita. Tandanan.
White sauce.
Wala
Sinta
na agad.
ka na.
Ganyan yung nanay mo.
Wait, ganun yung niya?
Daddy. One more.
Here in one of the most expensive
Give
malls
mommy.
in Southeast Asia, Marina Bay Sands.
Wow!
We're gonna. Are you gonna be balling here? Like you're gonna be the one who's
Oh.
gonna shake. Like we're gonna shop.
What?
We're gonna shop till we drop. You know, like how much you're gonna spend in Louis Vuittons, in the Hermeses, in the
Ina-open it
bags,
namin,
in the Dolce and Gabbanas. You know, let's pretend that we're gonna be shopping. There was actually free water. Okay. The joke lang, guys. Pero thank you. You know, me and Tim were talking. Sabi namin, we're so thankful kasi you guys appreciate us. Kahit, alam mo yun, kahit simple lang yung mga sunsod namin. You're making us better people. That's what we
Bruh.
love. Can we include this in the vlog? Are you guys here?
Join ka sa sandbox. Yan. Yan, sandbox mode. Join mo join me. Join me. Yung join me. Joining server. Joining server. Salis ka. Wala. Hindi gumagana.
And add 1 portion of already mixed together overnight enough. Add your favorite toppings, and there you have breakfast.
Wait for me in there. Labubu, labubu, labubu. Magmaano yung iron. Yun lang guys.